Excuse me. Can you help me?
Huh?
Huh?
Can you help me? I want to go back to Manila. I am lost.
Sus, nabalik. English speaker.
Can you help me?
I want English speaker. What do you want from me? How may I help you?
I want to go back to Manila.
Huh?
To Manila?
Yeah.
You go to Manila?
Yeah.
And you are here? You are lost?
Yeah.
See. Manila, here, Manila is the capital city, and then Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City. Gets?
No, I am from America. I'm a foreigner.
Oh, really? Are you a foreigner?
Yes. Why are you looking me like that?
You're a foreigner?
Yeah.
Mamar, diri ko to ba ya? Kung si tama yun. Kung si
Can you
tama.
help me?
Alto ka. Amerikana ka ba talaga?
Yeah.
Ay, nagagangi Amerikana ka eh. Ngatavu, kupean eh, gumo.
Ayaw, di ma.
Dito nga naman ba?
Kado Amerikana to, dumpaligon na.
Hindi ba pwedeng half-half lamang?
Mo ka rin nga. O di lawang ikurog.
Grabe, ito nga naman. Gusto ko kuya.
Ah, nalay
At
ni.
ano kang naman ba? Nagang makaginatan eh. Hindi sa pikit-bila. Ito rin na. Hindi looking. Huwag ka nakapansin ko pa lamang.
Pagkariga, tamo pala tolay. I'm looking to Manila. Go back to Manila. Please help me, foreigner.
Hindi ba pwede half Ibanag na half Ilocano?
Ay, pa-feeling. May kanatarta ko. May kanatarta. Bus station. Feeling nga ba eh. Lugar na kitang-kita labot tabi na.
Ayaw, di ma.